Are you craving a snack that's absolutely addictive and incredibly easy to make? Watch how easy it is to make this irresistible pretzel bark in no time. Pretzels, toffee, and chocolate. That's it. Alright, let's get straight into it. Grab your baking tray and parchment paper. Now you're going to grab your pretzels and you're going to give them a rough smush. Now you're going to spread them along your baking tray. Spread them in one even layer, not too far apart. My baking tray is quite large, so if you have a smaller one, it'll work easier for you to just spread it along the smaller baking tray. Alright, set that aside for now. Grab a small pot. You're going to add your butter and brown sugar. We are going to make our toffee. Place over medium heat and you're just going to allow the butter to melt and the sugar to brown. Just like so that everything is blended perfectly together. Now straight off of the stove, you're going to pour it over the pretzel. Try to get it all around, but don't worry because it will spread once it's in the oven. We're going to place it in your preheated oven just for 5 minutes. Now when it comes out of the oven, we're going to add all of our chocolate chips right on top of this so it can melt. I added dark, milk, and white chocolate just so I can get all three in there, but you can do whatever you'd like. You're going to let it sit there for about 5 minutes, and once the 5 minutes is up and you can see the chocolate has melted, just spread it throughout and you'll get a beautiful layer like that. And there you have it. You're just going to crack them up into pieces. I'm telling you, this is so addicting. I keep them in the fridge so that they do not melt. I hope you guys enjoyed that super easy recipe. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you so much for watching.